Imagine cruising down the highway, the wind in your hair and the sun on your face, only to find yourself trapped in your car with unresponsive power windows. You push the buttons, but nothing happens. Panic sets in as you realize you're unable to roll them up or down. Don't fret, you're not alone. Let's delve into the reasons behind your power windows malfunctioning and explore some solutions to get you back on the road with ease. Understanding the issue. When your power windows refuse to budge, it's likely due to one of several common issues. These can range from electrical faults to mechanical failures within the window system. Before diving into the solutions, it's crucial to diagnose the problem accurately. Possible causes. Electrical problems, faulty wiring, blown fuses, or malfunctioning switches can all contribute to unresponsive power windows. Mechanical issues, a malfunctioning window regulator, damaged window motor, or jammed window track might be preventing your windows from moving. Window control module failure. Modern vehicles often utilize a control module to manage various functions, including power windows. If this module fails, it can lead to window malfunction. Solutions? Check the fuses. Begin troubleshooting by inspecting the vehicle's fuse box. A blown fuse could be the culprit behind your power window woes. Replace any blown fuses with ones of the same rating. Test the switches. Sometimes the issue may be as simple as a faulty window switch. Test each switch to ensure they're functioning correctly. If you find a faulty switch, replace it accordingly. Inspect wiring and connections. Examine the wiring harnesses and connections related to the power windows. Loose or damaged wires can disrupt the flow of electricity, leading to malfunction. Repair or replace any damaged wiring. Assess the window regulator and motor. If the issue persists, it's time to inspect the window regulator and motor. These components may require replacement if they're worn out or damaged. Consider seeking professional assistance for this task. Reset the window control module. In some cases, resetting the window control module can resolve issues with power windows. Refer to your vehicle's manual for instructions on how to perform a reset procedure. Don't let malfunctioning power windows dampen your driving experience. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more automotive tips and solutions. Share this information with friends and family who might be facing similar issues. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on future content. Let's keep the conversation rolling.